Well, guess I gotta start making a boat. I don't even know where I'm heading. Should probably head to the American Spartans. I think that'd be smart. But I'm not sure what else I have to get. I have to get a lot of things, a lot of places. Look at this, for example. Like, this big statue is so stupid too. Why is it green? Like, I remember it was yellow. Maybe I'm just colorblind. But still, he just destroyed everything. Like, oh my goodness, like, he just took over everything. Like, destroyed the whole capital and stuff. Well, what's this? This was from the mission. I'm pretty sure I got a transmission of it a while back. Oh, crap, God. Dang it, come here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wait, how do I get out? Oh my goodness. Oh my, I'm not dying. Nope. Come on. Oh my goodness. That was a close one. Oh, of course it was a child. Oh my goodness. Help me, help. Oh my goodness. Oh, gotta go. Come on. I can make it. Oh no, come on. I have 1 heart now. I only have 1 heart. This is ridiculous. I'm just trying to make a boat. Here, got a crafting table. Here. Then we got the boat. I still have 1 heart. Give me some for that. Still got smoke in my mouth. Let's need one more one. What's with all this fire though? Well, can't really stress about that anymore. So what just happened? Alright, just gotta keep going. And we'll be there very soon. Oh, crap, of course, the little kid. Oh my goodness, I just fell. Oh, no. Yeah, get going. Crap, come on. Gotta go. Did we lose him? Alright, that's good. Let me just pull my boat. I'm getting the heck out of here. Wait, there was a boat. Oh my goodness. I guess you could say I got backstabbed. Well, also, I forgot. The bed was destroyed. Where am I? Oh, there. Huh. So, alright, so here we're gonna getting a boat. And then we break that so no one else gets it. And now, anything else? Alright. Now, wait, crap. I was gonna do some cool stuff, but I guess I'm not doing that. So I spawned a boat and like getting it like dream, but I guess I'm not doing that today. Now we're off like a herd of turtles. Let's go.